Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Recently in Ekiti State, kidnappers were demanding for virgin women as a reward for their ransom. Hey, nothing wey Musa no go see forget to. Kidnappers, they say money don't tire them. They are looking for virgin women that the men of that community will give to them as a reward for ransom. They won't test the 72 virgins on earth before they... Hey, Jesus. Well, it's not a laughing matter. In all these things, I no go blame anybody. Now, Lord, look at that blame. Yes, now, the animals, the Indians, try to stop the amalgamation of Nigeria from 1883 to 1914. 31 good years, our people resisted the British government not to amalgamate Nigeria, not to bring the northern to the southern Nigeria. Lord Lugaurd, you sure? Lord Lugaurd, we no go rest well, decided to amalgamate Nigeria. Now Lord Lugaurd cause all this wahala. Because of their personal hatred they have for Igbo, Lord Lugaurd amalgamated Nigeria. That is why we are where we are today. So in all these things, now Lord Lugaurd, I blame. See the people we are sharing the same country with. We are sharing country with people who does not value the country at all. Look at the people we are sharing the same country with. Something will be happening thousands of miles away. Something will be happening thousands of miles away. Now that one, those people, they important, they want to protest for. Every day, militia, Fulani herdsmen are constantly killing and kidnapping people, unaliving innocent Nigeria, whether Christian or Muslim, in the same country, in the same Kaduna. You will not share this one to protest. But somebody is being taken away in Iran, we are protesting. Then how do you want us to believe that we are not the one a sympathizer of terrorists? Because when the Christian come out and say it is a Christian genocide, you people say no, they kill Muslims. But none of you have ever taken to the street to protest that your Muslim brothers are being killed. Your Muslim brothers are being kidnapped. Your Muslim brothers are not doing well. 18 million Nigerian children are dropped out of schools. In fact, statistics show that many schools have relocated from village to city because there's no security for them in those places, whether it's in the north or in the southwest or in the north central. Yeah, none of you are taken to the street to protest. Tell the government of the day, this is what we want. But somebody is unalived. And you think that people like us will not appreciate what Donald Trump is doing? I saw a video of a woman saying he wants to eat in the bus, and somebody say I'm fasting, that you should not be eating. You would have eaten by 5 in the morning. It's time to somebody not to eat by 8 or even by 2 in the afternoon. What kind of hypocrisy and wickedness is that?
I can smell that. Do you mind eating that somewhere else? I'm fasting.
That's not my concern.
Yeah, but I'm fasting though.
So why are you out?
What do you mean why am I out?
If you're fasting, you should be indoors.
Yeah, but
I'm eating my lunch and you come and disturb me.
Yeah,
What for?
yeah, but I can smell it.
So what? It's food. Of course you're gonna smell it.
Yeah, but can you not just wait until you like get
Please,
off the bus?
don't tell me what to do. You're fasting, stay indoors and don't come and bother nobody on the bus.
No, but I'm just saying.
I'm eating my lunch.
Yeah, but
what's your problem?
Because you're right next to me and I can
But
smell
go
it.
downstairs.
Yeah, do you think you should have manners and not eat inside the
Go
bus?
downstairs and leave me alone. It's my lunch.
Yeah, but like I said, I'm fasting and I can smell it.
That's your business. Stay indoors.
What do you mean stay indoors? I need to
When
go out
I
and see
fast,
stuff.
I don't go out. Stay
Okay.
indoors, read your Bible,
Okay.
and keep quiet.
Well, first of all, I don't read the Bible. Second of all,
All of you wake up and eat by 5 before 6 a.m. You start fasting. Then somebody wake up now or decide to eat by 2. You are telling you should not eat, that you are fasting, but you have eaten in the morning. If you talk now, they go say you're against Islam, you're against this thing. But we are saying the truth. You don't want to tolerate other people, but you want people to tolerate your own. Tolerance is that you overlook other people's own and enjoy it, and other people overlook your own and enjoy it. That's what tolerance means. This is what we are talking about. None of you have protested for the innocent people that are dying every day in Nigeria. Now, I heard that even the one that they installed back again after the supreme leader of Iran was in Sweden, his son that they installed has already been killed even yesterday again. You people should protest again. And now you are putting Nigeria under the mercy of Israel and America. Because the Post said that they have received a threat from a Nigerian person, which is Asari Dokubo, threatening Nigeria, threatening Israel, America. And all of you are marching the ground, doing everything. Tomorrow now they throw bomb. He say they want to come and take our Kudoyi. You are the one inviting these things on your own. You want to protect Kudoyi, but you are instigating and inciting war against Nigerian territory. You say Nigerian sovereignty. Meanwhile, you are not here protecting Nigerian sovereignty. You are protecting another person's sovereignty. I'm out of here, Joe.